You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
What's up, everybody? It's Jonathan. How's everybody doing? Welcome to Masters in Trading Live. We get on here every single day, 11 o'clock Eastern Time, to go over the market and share our very best thoughts. We got 4 topics today. QQQ, we went over this yesterday. This is our line in the sand. Our line in the sand, we just want one number. We're going to go over that. We had a crazy trade in CRDO, up over 100%. This one was a lot of fun. We're going to go over some of our advanced notice portfolio. And then, actually today, we're going to go over all of our portfolios. So we're going to go over our promotional portfolio, which we've been giving out free since February 24th or February 28th. And then after, we'll go through our all access portfolio for members in our all access. So without further ado, let's get into it. Boom. Let's start here, and we're going to start here because this is our line in the sand. Our line in the sand, we just want to get where we can just have one number. Well, the one number that we're looking at is a band. And when we say a band, the reason I want to give you a band and not an exact number because we're not robots, guys. It's not just, let's just sit at 449 and then if it trades 448, it's under. It's a band. We want to get away from this band. The last time we had a line in the sand, it was at 433. And the whole idea was above bullish, below bearish, but we're going to get away from that number. Same thing right here. New line in the sand, 447.50 to 449. Right now, we are trading 446. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, well, it's Friday. We're going to get to be Friday afternoon. We are bearish under this number, but what we also need is we need follow through from the VIX 1 day. The VIX 1 day, this is the ticker, just VIX 1D. Right now it's trading at 1021 and it's down 18%. If this market is going to go down, volatility needs to go higher. Right now, volatility is not going higher, so I am not bearish until we get away from this number. Okay? If anything, if things stay the same like they are right now, I would actually think that we rally. Watch that VIX 1 day for confirmation. I don't see any real big news that should make us fall that hard. Watch that VIX very closely. Let's go over some advanced notice trades. And we're going to start here. I shared a trade in CRDO. And we shared this trade earlier in the week. And the reason we shared this trade is because of the monstrous, the gargantuanous, a lot of unusual option activity. And this was in CRDO right here. And we found this in our advanced notice tool. Here was the trade. The trade, they were buying the 22.5 calls in CRDO. That's such a big order because once in the money, those 12,000 are going to be 1.2 million shares of CRDO. Once we got in this trade, it took all of 2 days because once CRDO came out with its earnings, they absolutely crushed. And the coolest thing about this trade is we had so many traders in this thing. Up 76% here, great trade. Ted, grabbed 66%. Great freaking trade. Even threw a little frog in there. Tom grabbed about, I don't know, 80% there. You got it, buddy. So just very, very cool when we see something like this, when we see our traders grabbing these great, great trades. This was a big one. This is A-Lab actually, 185 to 395. And then CRDO had the same exact trade. Mike here, KSS. $200 trade, he turned into $2,000. And then CRDO, a master pizza. So congrats to all those CRDO traders. What a fun trade that we were able to crush in our Discord this week. Way to go, guys and gals. Next topic. Oh, this is the same topic. This is the same topic, just more good trades. Oh, I wanted to talk about this topic real quick. I'm going to bounce around a little bit because we're going to talk about tranching. This has got to be the most popular topic, and to me, it seems so basic and so straightforward. Tranching. Tranching just means that if you want to risk $1,000 in a trade, if you want to buy Microsoft for $1,000, or forget Microsoft, let's say you want to buy some calls, some out-of-the-money calls for $1,000. When you buy out-of-the-money calls, you can never risk more than you lose. But the key with tranching, let's say you want to bet $600. I'm going to use props here, playing cards. Let's say we want to risk $600, and we'll do that with a 6 of clubs. The suit doesn't matter. To do this trade, the first trade is $2,000. If it goes against you, $2,000. And if it goes against you, put up another $2,000. This is how you tranche into a trade. 1 trade, 2 trade, 3 trade. Then you have your 6K invested. That's how you have your full amount invested. We want to tranche into trades and tranche out of trades. That by far is the most efficient way to approach the market. So when these guys say they're tranching into trades, that's exactly what they're talking about. A-Lab. A-Lab's a trade that we've had on our promotional portfolio. Here are all the trades in A-Lab. A-Lab, we didn't get the best levels, but we want to get on prints. A-Lab is moving. A-Lab today is down about 5%. The July 60s. Yesterday, I shared that I'm working a limit order to sell at 490. Today, the high is 470. I am still working a limit order, good till canceled, to trade this 290 into 490. So we are looking to cover A-Lab on opportunity. A-Lab is coming off. If you get an opportunity to lock in profits, do it. Great trade. CCL, another trade in the promotional portfolio that I wanted to go over. Again, every trade, guys, we're going to tranche to some degree. So these trades, shared in April, shared in May, the first trade on the 17s, we buy for 40 cents, sold for 75 cents. The original trade is we bought these for 97 cents. Traders in this position, you should continue tranching into this trade. So if you get an opportunity to get back in to buy for 41 cents, that's a really good trade. My point is we want to hold until expiration or until we could take out a big fat profit. So what we're doing down here with our tranches is we're managing money. We're lowering our cost basis, waiting for that big move to happen. So we are still holding these positions. Any trade that we shared in the promotional portfolio, if we haven't covered it and taken off a big profit, we are holding until expiration. We are managing money around that position. ING. ING is another name in our free portfolio. ING, we have the 15 puts and we have the 18 puts. So if we go to the 18s here, We go with the 15s here. Let me pull up ING right now. ING, nothing too much going on. It's 1772. We're just chilling. Not much to do. We are just holding. Again, patience. What do they say? Time, time, time. It's on your side. It's on your side. Katos. Katos, attack drones. We love being invested in attack drones. Same kind of thing. Everything is we're tranching in the position. We're tranching out of the position. We are long the stock. We are also still long some July 20 calls. In for $1.18. July 20 calls are doing great. I want to hold, guys. I think Katos is going above 30. Who the heck doesn't want to be invested in attack drones in 2024? I kind of feel like we all should be invested in attack drones. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the all access portion of our portfolio. In the all access, we're going to go over our earnings, our divergence, and then our blockchain. And then, guys, I'm going to hop off. I'm going to jump back on, and we'll go over our advanced notice portfolio. For everybody out there, big believer in the creative trader wins. We want to look at things different than everybody else does. We'll see you back here. Actually, I'm not going to be live on Monday. Monday, I'm going to be taping the live Sunday because I'm going to be traveling. You'll still get the live Monday at 11 o'clock Eastern, but it'll be filmed Sunday night. Have an awesome day. Thanks, guys. We'll be talking to you in Discord for those in it. Later.